This 2021 Dutchmen Voltage 3845 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, oven, slide-out, microwave, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, skylight, leveling jacks, LP detector, and 130 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Voltage 3845 is 14,905 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.